believed in the ugly duckling story. It was a pipe dream too expensive for my broke heart to buy. I had convinced myself it was a tall tale rendered by nice, pretty people that felt bad for us ugly ones. Sympathy, if you will. Pretty people's best attempt at relating to someone that they would never understand. I often wondered how many ugly ducklings roamed the earth and why we hadn't crossed paths, why we couldn't have started our own Ugly Ducklings Only Club. I remember the story said, all the other birds made the ugly duckling feel shame. She was ostracized, forcing her into isolation. What I could never understand was, what made this duckling so special that her story will be heard worldwide? Did she suffer more ridicule than the next? Or maybe it was her failed attempts to rid herself and the world of her ugliness. See, there was a part to this story untold. I imagine the ugly duckling spent a mini night closed off in a dark space. I see her tying nooses out of leaf and limber branches, crying as she connected one to a stable branch and the other to her neck, waddling to the landing and then letting go, dangling and swaying for a moment before the noose gave way. That didn't work. I imagine her searching for a razor-sharp rock and beginning to dig at her skin, hoping that she would bleed to death. Nope. She just put her body through shock, passed out, and woke up to a new day. After seeing that none of her ideas was working, she said, forget it. Clearly, she had no say in whether or not she lived or died, so she might as well not live in hiding. So she returned out to the open, out to the sunshine, back into the general public, only to be greeted with oohs and ahs. Confused, she waddled over to the nearest puddle, only to discover an unfamiliar reflection, the reflection of a swan. See, when she had tried to hang herself, she just stretched out her neck, and all that digging that she did in her body only made openings for her wings and her feathers to expand. Yeah, there was a part to the story untold. See, and I didn't believe in the ugly duckling story. I was too busy living my own.